on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be unboxing another kitchenware appliance by Drew Barrymore. It's from her beautiful collection. This is a 2-in-1 panini press and grill. It says it heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with powerful 1200 watt heating system. It's precise cooking, adjustable temperature, control dial. You can make thin or thick sandwiches, and it has a 2-inch floating hinge. It says bistro quality paninis, grilled meats, veggies, and more. The grill opens flat. It makes gourmet sandwiches or used as an indoor grill. It says it's easy cleanup, removable 10-inch by 8-inch cooking plates. It lets you know when ready to use, power and ready indicator lights. Cook to your desired preference, adjustable temperature control dial. Easy food release, non-stick coating made without PFOA and PFOS. The additional features, it fits 2 thick sandwiches, grills 4 burgers or 2 steaks with veggies. It's dishwasher safe, drip tray for hassle-free cleanup. It makes thick or thin sandwiches with 2-inch floating hinge, powerful 1200 watt heating system, heats up to 450 degrees. You can use as an indoor grill. It opens up to 180 degrees. Okay guys, the color that I got is white icing. So now it's time to unbox it. Okay guys, look how nice this is. So of course you have your instruction manual. You also have a quick start guide. And also you have your card to scan to register your product. Okay guys, as I said, the color is white icing. It's trimmed in gold. As you can see down here, you have your power and ready indicator lights. Also here you have your turn knob for off, low, and high. You also have the letter B trimmed in gold. Right here in the center is a drip tray. Guys, this is what the back looks like. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. As you can see, it has 2 nice sized grill plates. So down here, all you want to do is press your button. As you can see, it released it. So just pull your plate out. When you want to put it back, push it back and press down. The top is also easy. Press your button on the side and it releases your plate. Okay guys, now this button right here, that's what you press when you want to open your grill flat. Okay guys, now this is what it looks like when you're going to use it as a grill. Now all you do when you want to bring it back up, there you go, just pull up and it will snap right back into place. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and give it a try and we can see how good this panini press is. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe the plates off before I use them. Okay guys, so I made 2 different sandwiches. I made one on a ciabatta roll, which I buttered on top. It's just a simple sandwich with cheese, pepper turkey, and tomato. Now this sandwich, I used potato bread. I had buttered the top and the bottom of the bread. It's the same pepper turkey and cheese, no tomato. So now we're going to go ahead and preheat our panini press. Okay guys, as you can see, the power lights are on and the ready light is on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on to low, and I'm going to take some butter and I'm just going to brush it on the plate. I'm not going to do the top one because the bread already has butter on it. Okay, I'm just going to shut it so it can preheat. Once it's ready to use, your ready light is going to illuminate. The power light is going to stay on like that through the whole process. Guys, you can see the ready light is on, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and we're going to add our sandwiches in. Okay guys, now we're just going to close it, and we're going to let it cook for 2 to 4 minutes. And guys, I raised the heat up to medium. Okay guys, it's been 4 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to lift it up and see how good. Look at that. That looks good. Okay guys, I removed my sandwiches. The cheese is nice and melted and the bread is nice and toasted. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe my grill off. Okay guys, so it's very easy cleanup. And this is what the sandwiches look like on the inside. Everything is nice and melted and toasty. So guys, I'm happy I purchased this. As with all her other appliances that I have, I'm very happy with it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?